hate this planet, I 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 hate this planet. Then you should leave. Shut up, filthy worm! I'm gonna destroy this mud ball someday. You know, at this point I seriously doubt it. What is this amazing contraption? It's called an umbrella, Zim. It's genius! Honestly, sometimes I wonder how you've made it this far. What are we doing up here? We're going to wait for the rain to stop. Why? I want to show you something. What? Nothing. How long is this gonna take? Who knows? Maybe a few minutes, maybe a few hours. I'm cold! I don't want to stand out here for a few hours. Hey, don't treat me like a woman! But you're so short. Shut up, human! I may be short, but I am a man! Really? Yes, I am very manly. More of a man than you. Do you even have genitalia? You want to find out? Yes. No. I'm still cold. You're pathetic. Zim, look! This is what I wanted to show you. Hmm? What is that? It's a rainbow. It's fantastic. I just wanted to show you that the Earth isn't all that disgusting. There are things we can enjoy. Just little things. You could be happy here, you know. I am happy. I'm still gonna destroy it.